Hello and welcome to eBuyer. Today we're going to be unboxing the BenQ MOBIUZ EX2710. Now, let's have a look at what's inside. This monitor comes with a HDMI cable, a power lead, an adjustable stand and base, a handbook, and a cable cover, all included. This monitor has fantastic connectivity features. The ports on this monitor include power, DisplayPort, 2 HDMIs and an aux port. Building the support stand is really easy. Simply line up the base to the stand and use the large screw to attach the base to the stand. To install the stand onto the monitor, simply line up the panel and it will click into place. To release, just press the release button below the mount. Once assembled, it feels strong and secure. This stand is fully adjustable, allowing for tilt, height and pivot so that you can find your perfect angle. It's easy to move around and to suit your viewing needs. The cable cover easily clips into place behind the monitor and keeps everything neat and tidy. Setting up your monitor is a breeze. The handy joystick lets you quickly navigate between settings. This helps you to unlock your monitor's full potential. Gaming on this monitor is an absolute delight. With a 144Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time, ghosting and blurring are virtually non-existent, making it a great choice for even fast-paced games. This works well, especially with high-speed FPSs. The HDRI technology gives vibrance and depth to the images on screen while gaming, providing users with a truly immersive experience. So there you have it, folks. That was the BenQ EX2710. For more information about this monitor and for more great products, visit ebuyer.com.